Hello and welcome. My name is Stanley from Visual Render. On this channel, I share my journey as an art artist running a creative business in Ghana. Once in a while, I do share tips and tricks on how to run a general business. But today, I have a question for one of my subscribers, and that is what I'm going to share my knowledge on. The question goes like this, and I read. I wanted to know the procedures you go through in charging your clients. How do you know what to charge each client per project? Because all are different. So we're going to take this question into several parts. I have to break it down into several parts because there are several ways you could price your projects per client. Okay, so one of the ways I'm going to talk about right now is something that I've learned to do over the time. It's pricing according to your services. So you list the service that you provide, you put the charge over there. You list the service that you provide, you put the charge over there. So for example, I'm into ArtViz. If I have to visit your sites, there's a price attached to it. If I have to model for you, there's a price attached to it. If I have to do any form of drawing for you, I will have to attach a price. There's a price attached to it. If I have to do modeling, there's a price attached to it. If I have to do rendering, there's a price attached. List all your products out and then give the prices attached to it. Because mostly when people contact you, they want to know what are the prices for these things, right? That's like the first two questions that they ask. Hi, my name is this. I have this project. What do you think the price is? Or what is the price? Or what are the prices of your services? Or what are the charges of your services? That's mostly how the questions go. And so you first have to detail all of that in-house, know what each service is, and then attach a price to it. That is one way to go about it. In the next video, I will share a little bit more about how to charge your clients and all that. So stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up. If you already do this form of pricing, please let me know in the comment section. Share this video if you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.